Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making an electric skillet one-pot goulash. Alright guys, I'm starting out on my electric skillet that I have preheated. And if you don't have an electric skillet, not to worry, you can easily do this on your stovetop in a pot. And this is a fairly large size skillet. Now I'm going to start by adding in 2 pounds of ground beef. And I'm going to go ahead and brown this for a little bit. Now this isn't lean ground beef, so I'm going to have to drain the fat off of it when it's done browning. So after I get this all browned up, I'll bring you guys back. Alright, now that my ground beef is browned up and I've drained off that excess grease, I have 1 onion and 1 green bell pepper I diced up. I'm going to get them in there and saute them in with the ground beef for a few minutes so they start to soften up. And guys, this onion, that's the strongest onion I diced up in a long time. It brought me to tears and had my nose running. It was that strong. So hopefully it's going to taste good. Alright guys, now that my peppers and onions are starting to soften up, I'm going to turn my heat down just for a minute here so they stop cooking. I'm going to add in 2 cans of diced tomatoes, and these are 14.5 ounces. We're adding juice and all in there. Guys, this is not only a one-pot meal, but it's an easy meal at that. I'm going to add in 2 15-ounce cans of tomato sauce. Okay, now I'm going to add in about 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire, and I'm just eyeballing this. I'm going to add in a teaspoon of salt, a light teaspoon. I'm going to add in some pepper, about a half a teaspoon. I'm going to add in a healthy teaspoon of Italian seasoning. And I'm going to add in 4 spoons of diced up garlic. If you use fresh garlic, use 4 cloves. Alright, we're looking good, guys. Now I'm going to add in about a teaspoon of sugar. I'm going to go for just a hair more. And I'm going to add in 4 cups of water. Make that 3 cups of water. 3 cups of water. You see why I'm using a large skillet, guys. You're going to need room. I'm going to give this a stir. Get everything all mixed together. Okay, now I'm going to put my lid on this. I'm going to bring this up to a simmer, a little more than a gentle simmer, and I'm going to let it go for about 10 minutes. Alright, now that I allowed this to simmer for about 10 minutes, I went and stirred it like twice. I'm going to add in, set this lid down, this is hot, guys. I'm going to add in a pound of raw elbow macaroni. And I'm going to stir that in there. Now this elbow macaroni will drink up that liquid in the sauce there, help tighten it up. And if it drinks too much, I'll go in and add a little bit of water in there, but I think it's going to be fine. I'm going to allow this to simmer for 15 more minutes. I'll go in there once or twice and stir it through the cooking process. So I'm going to cover that up and allow it to simmer. Alright guys, this is done. It took about 16 minutes or so because I like my pasta tender. And I had to go and add about a cup of water to that as it cooked because the pasta really drank up the liquid in there. This is ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Add a little bit of shredded Parmesan cheese on there. Let me get in here and give this a try. It's really good, guys. The macaroni's tender. Now I kept my ground beef a little on the chunky side because I wanted extra texture. I could use my ground beef mash while I fried it, but I want a texture with this. Sauce is really good, good seasoning. That's really good and it was really easy. Alright, there you have it. Electric skillet one-pot goulash. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.